facing the police every single day.
You get the whole thing.
Say hi, Andy. I'm recording you.
All right, you get the whole thing. Right?
I got you.
Ocean City cops are not people.
Yes, they are. You know what's really criminal?
What's that?
Those knee-high socks.
I know, but that's what the brown shirts wore.
Wow. Hey, Shark County, this is Shark County Cop Watch, and I got to make a comment on this before I play the video. This is the Punta Gorda City attorney and or lawyer, David Levin, a Jew. No, I'm not racist, but this is one of the bad Jews, and just like there's bad niggers and bad white trash. Anyways, he just told the city council on video that he has tons of case law that proves him banning free speech in Punta Gorda, which is a $5,000 fine, and you can be illegally arrested for it on a fucking sidewalk, and that they have no problems with kicking our ass. Rutherford Institute has a civil rights lawsuit against Punta Gorda, and he's pointing to the paperwork. He goes, I've looked through a stack of paper bigger than that says we have the right to ban free speech, any word we don't like. He is so full of shit. It's cops lost their immunity. Cops are losing their immunity everywhere because they should know about the First Amendment and free speech now. And this motherfucker is a goddamn liar. People need to call for redress. Not only that, they need to put a bar complaint on this asshole for fucking lying to these people. Jesus Christ, saying that there's tons of case law saying that banning free speech for any word we don't like is legal. You are a liar. So anyways, we'll play the video. And remember, call for redress. That is, by the way, that same night, I was illegally ticketed for doing a video protest, which I've done countless times because it's not under the sign law. Because it's not a sign, it's a video. And they illegally ticketed me $5,000 for that. And since I would not leave, illegally trespassed me. I will put that in here too. This is out of control and outrageous. And one more, by the way, a couple weeks ago, they illegally put a bench warrant out for me for the illegal arrest because my lawyer was there and I wasn't. I didn't have to be there. It's a calendar call, which is to set another date. And they put a fucking bench warrant out on me. This is absolute malicious fucking prosecution. Deprivation of rights under color of law. Oh, my God.
Enforcement cases regarding our sign code. We have a date with the court beginning of first week in March, in which I'm going to hope that the judge will establish a deadline for the appellants to file their initial brief, which is long overdue for certain reasons that may be somewhat justified. And my next comments, I don't anticipate any sympathy, but my firm was on a firm planning retreat this past weekend in Colorado, and my skiing days are long past. So I used the time in my hotel room to go through a stack of U.S. Supreme Court decisions twice the size of today's agenda packet, and to brief them in preparation for the brief that I'm going to need to write in response to the initial brief. And I just want to let you know that if in reviewing the legal arguments that are made by the appellants in that case, or upon my review of any additional case law that as part of my research, if there's any reason for us to take a different course with respect to our current ordinance, I will bring that to your attention and make sure that we take the appropriate action. But as of today, and all of the cases that I had the opportunity to review over the weekend, I still feel confident that our approach in our ordinance is legally correct. There's a lot of nuances in many of the cases that people cite to be able to use the F word, for example, as protected freedom of speech It just doesn't apply to the way that we have identified the various terms in our ordinance, and feel very comfortable still that our ordinance will withstand the challenge. So if there's a change, I will certainly let you know. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Do we have any updates on shoreline?
I'm protesting Punta Gorda's ban on free speech. That is correct. I'm doing a video protest. That is correct, which is not in the sign ordinance. I'm trying to offend everyone, equal opportunity offender. Schools are like prisons. Punta Gorda banned free speech. It's a $5,000 fine if you're offended. So I've already multiple times have done video for my protest. It is not in the sign ordinance.
Okay. Charlie, want to...
Free speech. They banned free speech here. It's a $5,000 fine. You didn't know?
Are you the same guy that is the Christ on the street?
That is suing the city? Yes.
For what?
For banning free speech. That's illegal. It's called the First Amendment.
Do you own the building?
Huh?
Do you own the
Yes,
building?
it's a government-owned building.
You can put it up there.
It's a government-owned building. Are you He's drinking and driving. Drinking and driving. I see it. You're on a bike with an open beer.
How do you know it's a beer?
I saw it's a beer.
It's a bottle. It could be root beer. It could be a beer. You don't.
You know, that is weird. You know, just like I have another sign. You only fucking help rich white people. Jesus Christ. What?
Per the code, they have deemed this as an unauthorized sign, the projection onto the building, and since it does have the FUCK, it is still considered indecent. So we will be citing you for the indecent sign tonight. That's where we're at.
This is a video, not a sign.
It is a projected sign onto the building.
We've already been through this countless times with you guys.
You can go over to the code ordinance, but I just confirmed with my lieutenant, and they have sent out notifications saying that it is an unapproved, unauthorized sign.
It is not a sign, it's a video.
It's a projection. It's a projection.
It is a video.
Okay, well that's something that you can do just like you have been at the court ordinance hearings, but that's where we're at right now.
That's not where we're at.
That is where we're at.
You're violating my civil rights for free speech.
Well, you can bring it up at the next court ordinance hearing, but as of right now, that's where we're at, so I will be citing you.
You're an idiot. Fucking moron. Did you take an oath to the Constitution or fucking Nazi Germany, you stupid bitch? All right, here comes the idiot. So you took an oath to Nazi Germany or America? Which one?
Mr. Andrew Sheets, this is your ticket for the city code ordinance.
Which I did not violate.
You have 10 days.
You have lost your
after
immunity for violating my
this
civil
ticket
rights.
To pay the ticket.
And you're an idiot. Give me the
These are your
ticket and
options on
leave.
how to pay the ticket.
Fuck off and die.
And you can also,
Fuck off and die. You just lost your immunity, violated my civil rights knowingly. Leave.
do you have any questions?
Fuck off and die. You just fucking violated my rights, you idiot.
Do you have any questions for me?
Fuck off.
Okay.
They banned free speech here. What?
packing your stuff up, you're being trespassed.
For what?
The manager of the building wants you trespassed.
For free speech.
Not arguing with it. Take your stuff down. You're right now, your trespass warning.
Fuck off, Chadowski. You fucking un-American bitch. So you guys just want to keep ramping it up, man. You think you're really going to win in court? You really think so? Do I get the ticket now or I can go? You un-American bitch. What, did you take an oath to the Constitution or Nazi Germany, dude? I'd have to say Nazi Germany. Would I be correct? I'm protesting Punta Gorda's ban on free speech. They hate free speech here. $5,000 fine, and you will be trespassed if you do free speech. They're being sued right now. Is that correct, Mr. Chadowski? He will not answer because he knows it's the truth. Who is the one that said that you can't have a projector, which we've already done countless times on video, that you cannot write a ticket for free speech if it's a fucking video? Who just authorized that? Are you the idiot that just authorized that? They hate free speech here. Freedom is gone in Punta Gorda. $5,000 fine and trespass for free speech in Punta Gorda. This is not Punta Gorda anymore. This is Nazi Germany right here.
There you go, sir.
See you in court, dipshit.
Have a lovely night.
Fuck off and die. Fuck off and die. Fucking un-American bitch pricks. Ooh.